Welcome to our video on the intersection of AI, hacking, and cybersecurity, where we explore how these fields are evolving and how experts are leveraging AI to make money in 2023. With the increasing importance of cybersecurity in today's world, it's no surprise that experts are finding innovative ways to leverage AI to stay ahead of the game. Section 1. How hackers are using AI. Hackers are using AI to automate attacks, making it easier to breach systems and cause damage. With AI algorithms, hackers can create sophisticated attacks that can go undetected by traditional security measures. Here are some subtopics we will be covering in this section. 1. Machine learning for malware. Hackers can use machine learning algorithms to create malware that adapts to its environment, making it difficult for security measures to detect and prevent. 2. Automated phishing. AI can be used to automate phishing attacks, making it easier to create convincing messages and target specific individuals or organizations. 3. Social engineering. Hackers can use AI to analyze social media and other online data to create convincing profiles and interact with individuals or organizations to gain access to sensitive information. Section 2. How cybersecurity experts are using AI. On the other side of the spectrum, cybersecurity experts are using AI to stay ahead of attackers and protect against threats. Here are some subtopics we will be covering in this section. 1. Threat intelligence. AI algorithms can be used to analyze vast amounts of data to identify and predict threats, allowing cybersecurity experts to stay ahead of potential attacks. 2. Network security. AI can be used to monitor network traffic and identify anomalies that may indicate a potential attack, allowing cybersecurity experts to respond quickly and effectively. 3. Vulnerability assessment. AI algorithms can be used to scan systems and identify potential vulnerabilities that could be exploited by attackers, allowing cybersecurity experts to patch vulnerabilities before they can be used. Section 3. How experts are making money with AI in cybersecurity. Both hackers and cybersecurity experts are finding innovative ways to use AI to make money. Here are some subtopics we will be covering in this section. 1. AI-powered security solutions. Cybersecurity companies are creating AI-powered security solutions, such as endpoint protection and threat detection, that are in high demand as organizations seek to protect their assets. 2. AI-enabled hacking tools. Hackers are creating and selling AI-enabled hacking tools that make it easier to breach systems and cause damage, with some estimates suggesting that these tools can fetch high prices on the dark web. 3. Consulting and training. With the increasing importance of cybersecurity, experts are providing consulting and training services to organizations looking to improve their security posture. These services can be highly lucrative and can be tailored to meet the specific needs of each organization. Conclusion. In conclusion, the intersection of AI, hacking, and cybersecurity is an area of rapid evolution, with both hackers and cybersecurity experts finding innovative ways to leverage AI to their advantage. While hackers are using AI to create sophisticated attacks, cybersecurity experts are using AI to protect against these attacks and identify potential threats. Additionally, both groups are finding ways to make money through AI-powered security solutions, hacking tools, and consulting and training services. We hope you found this video informative, and as always, please leave your thoughts and comments below.